You know that feeling when you get a huge medical bill or your car breaks down? Life happens and it can feel overwhelming. But there are ways to bridge these financial gaps: a hardship loan, personal loan, or other solution. I'm Sani, and this is Let's Get Personal Loans with Achieve. A hardship loan could provide a financial safety net when you need it most. It's a simple loan solution that could help you cover essential expenses without the need for collateral. Imagine an unexpected medical expense happens or you're faced with a sudden job loss. A hardship loan could provide the financial relief you need to keep you moving forward. You could use a hardship loan to cover expenses or bridge a money gap caused by an emergency. Personal hardship loans are designed to be flexible with fixed interest rates. Most hardship loans are unsecured, which means you don't need to have valuable assets to borrow against. Beyond personal hardship loans, there are several other kinds of hardship financing and assistance. Some of the most common are a 401k hardship withdrawal or loan, an employer hardship loan, disaster assistance, home equity loans, and loan deferment. There are also a couple loan alternatives such as government assistance and debt resolution. That means if you need to manage through tough times, you have many options to consider. Remember, you're not alone, and there's always a way to overcome financial challenges. Eager to learn more? Check out more debt-related tips at achieve.com.